Hey guys, just checking in on this bathroom job that we're doing. And we're doing the grout in the shower floor. And we have a really cool tile on this one where it's all glass. It's a hex mesh mosaic that we put down. And we have a grout color that will really highlight the look of the tile, which is nice. And for all the work that we did on one of the last videos that you saw, to bring everything up to the level that we needed, is to really accomplish what we have here. We have the shower floor that's meeting the bathroom floor, two different tiles. It's a barrier free, so as you come in, you just want it perfectly plain through. So we have the grout in. It's an important part of the process just to bind everything together. And of course, aesthetically, it looks really nice. So we finished this up. Like to get the shower floor in before the walls, and that's what we're going to do next. So it's coming together nice. It's going to be some beautiful selections, and we'll keep you posted on the walls going up, and check back in soon.